Yes, we have been discussing this mean median mode in the last class. If it is not a continuous data, we found the true class interval, and then we find the mid value based on the requirement arithmetic mean. To find arithmetic mean, we want to find the mid value. To find median
Sir,
quartile, yes,
your voice is not clear, sir.
my
Can
voice
you?
is not clear.
Yeah,
Breaking, sir, breaking.
yeah, that's breaking.
Can it break? How
So your
is
audio
it?
is perfect, sir.
Those who are having a problem, please log out and log in. That's all I can do. Those who are having a problem in your things, please log out and log in. So we have been discussing this mean median mode right from the last class, median quartile decile, for which we have to find this um, positional average, for which we want to find the cumulative frequency. It is based on only your frequency. Mode is based on the frequency. It is nothing to do with the cumulative frequency. So this is another problem. We want to find a mode and second quartile. Second quartile is nothing but median. So you are given with the more than class interval. You are given with the above or more than. Sometimes they call it as above or more than. More than 10, more than 20, more than 30, like that. Or above 10, above 30. Likewise, we will do below 10, below 30, like that. So this is my Q2. Formula of Q2 is this. Formula of Q2 is this. So we want to find this n by 2, etc. First, the class interval is not continuous. I mean, not uniform. So what I want to do first to find the true class interval. You know, minimum is 10. You know, minimum is 10. We don't know what can be the maximum. So minimum is 10. Maximum could be in a distance of 10 because 10, 20, 30, it goes like that. Therefore, I said minimum is, minimum is 10, maximum is 20. Now, minimum is 20. What can be the maximum? 30 because that is an extra limit. If minimum is 30, what can be the next 40? This will be 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Suppose in the place of 60, if I have, in a place of 60, if I have 80, what I should do? This will be, this will be 6. I mean, minimum is 80, maximum is some other value. So we have to decide what value is given. For an example, if this value is assuming this value is 80, this value is 100, what will you do? So I will take 50 to 80. Here I should take 50 to 80, then here I should take 80 to 100. This will be 100 to what? What is the limit of this? So that limit should be taken. For an example, this distance is 20, so that distance should be taken here. Have you understood? If it is not uniform, if it is uniform, it is uniformly at a distance of 10. If it is not a uniform, assuming it is 80 and 100, take 80 to 100 here. Next one will be 100 to what? Whatever distance of the preceding class interval, penultimately we want to take. Penultimately means last but not one. So whatever length before the last one but not one, therefore that length should be taken for the last limit. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
இன்னும் ஒரே ஒரு தடவை சொல்றீங்களா?
If my limit
Sir,
is
once
not,
more.
if your limit is say 80, minimum, I mean minimum is 80, 100 something goes like that, what will you do? So this distance must be 80 to 100. So what should be this distance? 100 to what distance I should take? This is at a distance of 30, it is at a distance of 20. This minimum is 100, we know, we don't know what is the maximum. When such a case exists, whatever be the length here, that length can be taken for this. That is
Okay.
120. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is my original problem. So this is my original problem. Now what is the frequency? This, if you observe this value, it is in descending order. So more than 10 means it is 148. Age more than 10, there are 148 in the total. Minimum, I mean more than 20, 124, more than 30, 109. So what are they trying to tell? In this 148, you can find everything right from 1 to 124. In this 124, we can find 1 to 109. In this 71, we can find 1 to 30. So we want to find the exclusive series. We want to find the exclusive series. What I will do, I will take a minimum first one. Start with this. So this will be 16 minus 1. 16 is a part of 1. In the 16, you can find 1 because more than 60, more than 70 means this 1 is also part of in the 16. Therefore, exclusively, if you want, how many of them are between 60 to 70 means it is only 15. If you want to find exactly how many of them are between 50 to 60 means this will be 30 minus 16, that is equal to 14. In the same way, this will be 71 minus 30 will be equal to 41. This will be 109 minus 71, that is equal to 38. And this will be 124 minus 109. The last few problems, if you take, we don't have this kind of pattern in descending order, ascending order. So whenever the problem is less than more than, it will be in this form. So we want to find exclusively how many of them are in the given class interval. For an example, from 10 to 20, I should deduct 124 in 148, I get 24. So 24 people, students are in the age of 10 to 20. 15 students are in the age of 20 to 30. But in the given frequency, this 148 is inclusive of all minimum 20 to 70. So we want to find exactly how many of them are in the age 10 to 20. That is why we are subtracting in the preceding value. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we have to, having found frequency, we want to find the cumulative frequency. We want to find the cumulative frequency. So the cumulative frequency is, why are we finding? Because to find the mode. So minimum, this is your 24. Okay, first you write 24. 24 plus 15. 24 plus 15 will be 39. 39 plus 38 will be equal to 77. 77 plus 41 is equal to 118. 118 plus 14, 132. 132, 15, 147. 147 plus 1, 148. So this is my cumulative frequency. What is the first step to be done? You have to find Q2. In Q2, what is your requirement? First, we want to find what is n by 2. What is n? 148 divided by, because total n, this 148 will be equal to this. So 148 by 2 will be equal to 74. So in CF, in which class interval it lies? In CF, it falls between
3977.
Sir, 3977, sir.
okay 39 to 77. So I should take this as a median class. I have to take this as my median class. I mean this complete one is median class. So if this is a median class, then median class or Q2 class, what is L? Lower limit. Lower limit is 30. What is the respective frequency? Frequency is here. Frequency is here. Don't take this frequency. Actually, this is number of students. If you want, you can have this. You can take it as number of students. So this 38 is my F. F or F2, it is not a big thing. You can take even. What about C2? I mean, what about C? Length of the class interval. Obviously 10.
10, sir.
C is 10. What is the preceding? Pre-CF. PCF must be equal to 39. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we have to find next one is mode. You have to substitute these value. I hope you can substitute, or should I want to substitute?
We can, sir.
Sir, we can do it, sir.
The thing is, I just tell you one thing. There are common mistakes which I found in your answer scripts. The mistake is this. It is L plus n by 2 minus preceding value in the CF divided by F into C. This is a formula. The mistake, what are they doing? You have to take this L. L is 30 plus n by 2 is 148 by 2, that is 74. 74 minus 39 divided by 38 into divided by 38 into C is 10. So this is a normal thing we do. But in examination, what are they doing? The examination, what are they doing? They just expand this denominator. So it is not correct. So what we have to do, it is 30 plus x. 30 plus should be isolated. Then I should compute this part. So this is the way you should solve. So in examination paper, most of the papers, the formula itself, they are doing like this. So the formula should be this L plus n by 2 minus preceding value in the CF divided by F into C. Have you understood now the mistakes? How are they doing? Don't repeat that mistake.
Yes, sir.
The same way, the next one is mode. What is mode? Highest in the frequency. Yesterday I said, this is your frequency. I mean, this is your frequency. So what is the highest here? This is my highest. Am I right? 24, 15,
Yes,
38,
sir.
41. So this is my highest. So F naught is, sorry, F naught, F1. This should be F1. Model class is highest. So F1 is 41. And then F naught is this. F2 is this. Preceding and post. So what is F naught? 38. What is F1? 41. What is F2? 14. What is the respective lower limit with respect to this 40? What is the length of the class
30.
interval? 10. So substitute like this. It is 40 plus 41 minus 38 divided by 2 times of divided by 2 times of F1 divided by 2 times of F1 divided by 2 times of F1 minus F naught plus F2. So F naught plus F2 means it is 38 plus 40 into C. C is 10. So substitute this. I hope you would have understood how to substitute. Please don't do this mistake 40 like this. If you have understood, I shall go to next problem. Otherwise, tell me.
Sir,
சார் அந்த மோட் ஃபார்முலால எப்படி அந்த நம்பர்லாம் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணீங்கன்னு மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க சார்.
Okay. Highest in the frequency are blue mark number. What is the highest in the frequency? 41. Adan F1. அதோட preceding value தான் F0. Succeeding value தான் F2. That is what I wrote. F1 41, F0 38, F2 14. இப்போ சொல்லிட்டு என்ன டவுட்?
இப்போ எதுவும் இல்லை சார்.
சார்
Sir.
எல் எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னாக்க, இந்த மாடல் கிளாஸ் வந்து இதான் F1னா அதோட ரெஸ்பெக்ட் லோயர் லிமிட் என்ன?
ஓகே சார்.
சார்
புரியுதா?
புரியுது.
கிளாஸ் இன்டர்வல் சேமா இல்லனா சி எது சார் எடுக்கணும்?
பியூட்டிஃபுல். கிளாஸ் இன்டர்வல் சேமா இல்லைன்னு ஒருவேளை இல்லைன்னா வாட் எவர் பி தட், இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் திஸ் இஸ் அ மீடியன் கிளாஸ். இஃப் திஸ் இஸ் அ மீடியன் கிளாஸ், வாட் எவர் லெங்த் இஸ் ஹியர், தட் லெங்த் ஷுட் பி டேக்கன் ஃபார் தட் சி. சப்போஸ் இந்த இதுதான் எனக்கு மாடல் கிளாஸ்னா இங்க என்ன லெங்த்தோ அதான் சி.
ஓகே சார்.
வேற டவுட்ஸ்?
இப்போ மீடியன்ல சார்
மீடியன்ல இது Q2 கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்ல சார்.
ம்.
சோ அதுக்கு அந்த இது கிரேட்டர் than 30 அப்படின்ற இன்டர்வல் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி சார் கிடைச்சது? அது மட்டும் எனக்கு புரியல சார்.
அப்பா n/2 என்ன? n/2 வந்து 74 இங்க இருக்கு.
ஆமா சார். ஆ
இந்த 74 இந்த cumulative frequency எந்த இடத்துல வருது? Is it not between 39 to 77?
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார்,
நேத்து
I got it.
பண்ணோமே.
ஓகே சார்.
யாரா லேட்டா ஜாயின் பண்ணாலும் கவலை இல்ல. ரெக்கார்டட் லெக்சர் யூ கேன் see at any point you want. அதனால கவலைப்படாது. இதுக்கப்புறம் நான் வந்து
எப்ப சார் அனுப்புவீங்க 2 கிளாஸையும்?
அப்பா எனக்கு இன்னைக்கு ஒரு நாள் மட்டும் லேட் ஆகும். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு நாள் நான் ஈவினிங்ல அனுப்புறேன்.
ஓகே சார். ஏன்னா
நான்
நாளைக்கு ஒரு நாள் கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரீ இருக்கறனால கொஞ்சம் திருப்பி போட்டு பார்த்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமே தான் சார் கேட்டேன்.
அதான்ப்பா உனக்கு இன்னைக்கு ஈவினிங் அனுப்பிச்சிடுவேன். எனக்கு ஏற்கனவே 2 அனுப்பிச்சாச்சு. ஆல்ரெடி I sent 2 classes.
ஒண்ணு வந்துச்சு சார் எனக்கு. இன்னொன்னு வரல சார்.
எது ப்ரீவியஸ் கிளாஸ் வரலையா?
ப்ரீவியஸ் கிளாஸ் நேத்திக்கு 3:22 ஒண்ணு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கீங்க.
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வரலையா?
ஆஹா சார், வரல சார்.
அதை நான் பின் பண்ணியிருந்தேன் இந்த ஃபைல். It has been
இல்ல
pinned.
சார், அது நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பண்ண வீடியோ சார்.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பண்ண வீடியோ சார்.
ஆமா, செகண்ட் வீடியோ வரலையா?
வரவே
ஆஹா,
இல்லை
வரல
சார். ஆமா,
சார்.
வெறும் நீங்க அந்த டாக்குமெண்ட் மட்டும் தான் சார் அனுப்பிச்சீங்க.
நேத்திக்கு உனக்கு
எனக்கு வந்தது சார் ரெண்டாவது வீடியோ.
சி செக்ஷனுக்கு வந்தது சார்.
வந்திருக்கு சார்.
வந்துருச்சு
சார்
சார்.
நான் அதே குரூப்ல தான் சார் இருக்கேன்.
ஓகே நீங்க நியூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோ?
சார் இல்ல சார், நாங்க எப்பத்துல இருந்து குரூப்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணி நீ காத்தா நீங்க அனுப்பிச்ச லிங்க் கூட வந்தது எங்களுக்கு.
இப்ப பாரு, நேத்திக்கு 3:21 ஒரு வீடியோ அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன். அதுக்கு
47
முன்னாடி
minutes ஒரு வீடியோ. வந்து
ஆமா 47 minutes.
சார்.
இது பாரு,
okay.
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி 36 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு வீடியோ அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன். 1:57 PM. இந்த உனக்கு இப்போ அனுப்புறேன். இசி செக்ஷனா?
இல்ல சார், பி செக்ஷன் சார். செகண்ட் அனுப்பிச்ச 47 minutes வீடியோ இருக்கு சார். நோட்ஸோட இருக்கு.
அதான்டா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ யூ செட் இட் இஸ் நாட் ஃபவுண்ட். பி செக்ஷனா?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ இருக்கு சார். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ இருக்கு சார். செகண்ட் வீடியோ இருக்கு, இப்போ வந்துருச்சு. அது இதுல டெலிகிராம்ல கொஞ்சம் லோட் ஆகுது சார், வேற எதுவும் இல்ல.
ஓகே, ஏதாவது டிஃபிகல்ட் இருந்தா சொல்லுங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
Now this is a less than cumulative frequency. This is given in thousands. That is thousands. எப்படி சார் தெரியும்னாக்க, you just see here. This is given in 1000. So less than 2000, 3000, 4000, 6000, 8000, 10,000, 11, 1100, 1200. How many of them are here? It is also like in descending order. It is also like in descending order. Sorry, ascending order. Last case we did more than cumulative type. Now we are looking at less than cumulative type. So this is less than cumulative type. This is less than, or sometimes what we call it as a below 2000, below 3000, like that. ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? We want to find this again mean median mode. To find mean median mode, I must know what is the class interval. I must know what is the frequency. The given is not frequency, it is in cumulative frequency form. How do we know this is cumulative frequency? Look at all cumulative frequency. Is it not in ascending order? Look at all cumulative frequency. It is in ascending order. Look at all cumulative frequency. It is in ascending order. இங்க இருக்கு பாரு. என்ன புரியுதா? CF-னால எதுல இருக்கும்? ascending orderல இருக்கும். So I assume this like a CF. Now you find what is the frequency. So how do we find the frequency? This is 10. This is 18 minus 10. So first we want to find the true class interval. Okay, now find the frequency, then I come to true class interval. This is exclusively how much? 8. That is between 2 and 3, it is 8. Between 1 and 2, it is exactly 10. Between 3 and 4, how many of them are there? 26 minus 18, how much do you get?
8.
26 minus 18 will be equal to 8. When this is 38 minus 26 is equal to 12. It is 54 minus 38 is equal to how much? 16.
16.
This is 66 minus 54 is equal to 12. 74 minus 66 is equal to 8. And it is 80 minus 74 is equal to 6. Do you understand how are we subtracting? 18 minus 10, 26 minus 18, 38 minus 26, something like this. We have to find the true class interval. We have to find this true class interval. You know, minimum is 1, maximum can be 2. It is in 1000, that is why I don't duplicate it. Because 0, 0, 0, it is a waste of time on writing, that's why I didn't take. Maximum is 3, what should be the minimum? The last class interval minimum was 2. Maximum is 4. If I write like this is maximum. If I put like this is minimum. This will be 3 to 4. This is now see class interval length is not same. Maximum is 6, minimum is 4. Here maximum is 8, minimum is 6. Maximum is 10, minimum is 8. 11. This is 10. Maximum is 12, minimum is 11. Have you understood the true class interval?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now find the mid value of this class interval. This is 1.5. 1 plus 2 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2 will be 5. By 2, 2.5. This is 3.5. This will be 5. This is 7 mid value. This is 9. It is 10.5. This is 11.5. What is the first one to be found? Arithmetic mean. What is the formula for arithmetic mean? Sigma Fm by sigma F. What is your requirement? F into M. That is why we are computing Fm. F into M means F is here, M is here. Multiply these two. So this will become 15. It is 20, 28, 60, 112. It is 108. It is 84. It is 69. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So sigma F means I should add everything. If you add everything, how much do you get? It is 496 divided by 80. Because whatever be the last value in CF, that is your total frequency. These two values should be same. And sigma Fm is equal to 496. If you have any doubts, you may ask. If you have any doubts, you may ask.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
For median, this is the formula. For median, this is the formula. Q2 median, second quartile, all are same. So the formula is this. How do we find n by 2? What is n? 80. 80 by 2 will be equal to 40. 80 by 2 is equal to 40 in CF where it lies. In cumulative frequency where it occurs. Is it not between this?
38 to 54, sir.
So this is my median class. It lies between 38 to 54. So the median class would be this. This is my median class. Now what I have to do? What is lower limit? L, F, C, preceding value in the CF. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is 6. What is the frequency? 16. What is the preceding value in the CF is 38. What is the length of the class interval? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
you substitute here, you should take it as 6000. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why it is 6,000? Otherwise, multiply the answer. Otherwise, multiply the answer with 1,000. Otherwise, multiply the answer with 1,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, class interval.
Oh, class interval length is 2,000. I made a mistake. This is 2. I made a mistake. The class interval distance here is 2. Na clear?
சார் அது எல்லாமே 1000 சார்?
ஆமா, நான் இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கேன்? இந்த yellowல மார்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன். என்னது? I marked in yellow what it is.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
எக்ஸாம்ல இப்படிதான் கேட்பாங்க. நீ உட்காந்து 1000 எழுதிருந்தா வேஸ்ட் ஆஃப் டைம். நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்? லாஸ்ட் ஆன்சரை 1000 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு.
ஓகே சார்.
Next, இங்க we want to find mode. What is the highest in the frequency? Frequency முதல்ல எழுதி. இதான frequency.
16.
So highest, this is my F1. Okay, this is my F1. This is my F2. This is my F0. So you write what is F1? Model class 16. The respective lower limit is 6. The respective lower limit is 6. F0 is 12. F2 is F2 is also 12. C is 2. I mean 2000. I call it as 2. Can you now substitute? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I shall go to next question. So we are now going to focus on missing frequency. How to find this missing frequency, etc. I tell you. This is a problem. You are given with the mode as 24, n has 100. Total frequency 100 is given. Also you are given with the mode. We want to find the missing frequency. You know what is the formula for a mode? Write down. You have to find the missing frequency. I call this as x. If I call this unknown as x, what should be this? I say y. But if it is x and y, we want to solve by 2 equations. To reduce that pain of solving, what I do, I write this y as, sum of all frequency is equal to 100. That is 14 plus x plus 27 plus y plus 15 is equal to 100. Do you agree? You know sigma f is n. So 14 plus x plus 27 plus y plus 15 is equal to 100. What should be y? Y is equal to this 100 minus 14 minus x minus 27 minus 15. So this is equal to 44 minus x. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you substitute this. Before substituting this, what is a mode? Mode is 24. Am I right? As per the given.
Yes, sir.
If mode is 24, in which class interval it lies? Mode 24, it lies in this class interval. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Because 24 will fall between 20 to 30. So if this is 20 to 30, then this is a model class. Therefore, this is my F1, this is my F2, and this is my F0. Do you agree this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So F1 is 27, F0 is x, F2 is y, y is 44 minus x. Y, that is 44 minus x. What is our respective lower limit? 20. What is C? 10. Substitute. Z is equal to, that is 24 is equal to L. L is 20 plus F1 minus F0. F1 is 27 minus F0 x divided by 2 times of F1. That is 2 times of 27 minus F0 x F2 plus 44 minus x. So plus x minus x get cancelled. Plus x minus x get cancelled. Before that, this will be equal to 4. I mean, this implies 4 is equal to 27 minus x divided by 54 minus 44. Into C is missing. C is 10. 54 minus 44 into 10. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
These
சார்
two
அந்த
get
4
cancelled.
எங்க இருந்து சார் வந்தது?
எங்கன்னு வந்தது? அது கொஸ்டின்ல இருக்கு, கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Mod is equal to 24, which is given in the question.
ஓகே, நீங்க இல்ல சார் கீழ வெறும் 4 ன்னு போட்டுருக்கீங்க.
எங்க 4 போட்டிருக்கேன்? ரைட். இதான
n
20
= 100 கீழ போட்டுருக்கீங்க.
இங்க இதுவா? இதுவா?
ஆமா சார்.
ஏன்டா 24 minus 20 என்ன?
ஓ 4.
உனக்கு ஆரோ மார்க்லாம் போட்டு சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். இப்போ இது கேன்சல் ஆயிடுத்து. வாட் ஷுட் பி யுவர் எக்ஸ்? எக்ஸ் வில் பி ஈக்குவல் டு 23. If x is 23, what can be y? Y is 44 minus 23. That is equal to 21. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to next question?
Sir,
Hmm.
if you are waiting in the waiting room, sir.
எல்லாம் வெயிட்டிங். நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல மெயில் ஐடிலாம் வாங்கிட்டேன். நாளைக்கு தான் கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கேன். ஐ ஜஸ்ட் சிட் அண்ட் சென்ட் யூ த லிங்க். ஸோ பர்மனன்ட்லி திஸ் இஸ் அ லிங்க். நான் என்ன லிங்க் போடுறேன் அப்படின்னாக்கா 9 to 12 போட்டுக்கிறேன். இந்த 9 to 12 நம்ம எப்படியாவது 1 hour வச்சுருவோம். சம்டைம்ஸ் 9 to 10 இருக்கும், இல்லை 10 to 11 இருக்கும், இல்லை 11 to 12 இருக்கும். அதுக்காக நீ 3 hours எடுத்துக்காது. யூ டோன்ட் திங்க் இட் இஸ் அ 3 hours கிளாஸ். இட் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் 1 hour கிளாஸ். பட் ஐ வில் புட் for 3 hours in a Google Meet. ஏன்னா நான் எப்போ கிளாஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுன்றது பிளான் பண்ணிப்போம். வீக் டேஸ்ல ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. மோஸ்ட்லி வில் பி பிட்வீன் 10 to 11 இல்லைன்னா 10:30 11:30 அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். I tell you how to organize the things. Now this is the next question. This is the next question. Like a last problem, we want to find the missing frequency. 3 missing frequencies are there. So 3 missing frequency means I should find first what is given. You are given with this many. This is the actual question. This is the actual question. We want to find the CF. Why are we finding CF? Because Q2 is given. Because Q2 is given. Also mode is given. N is also given. Total frequency is 230. Total frequency is 230. So we want to find this unknown. Shall I start? So if I take this as X, this as Y, and I call this as Z. There are 3 unknowns. 3 unknowns means I should have with the 3 equations. I take this Z as Z is equal to 230. I mean, sum of all frequencies is equal to N. Sigma F is equal to N. What is sigma F? 4 plus 16 plus X plus Y plus Z plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 230. So Z is equal to 200 minus X minus Y. First, have you understood this? First, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how do we find the cumulative frequency? As usual, this is 4. 4 plus 16, 20. 20 plus X will be 20 plus X. This value will be 20 plus X plus Y. This will be plus X minus X get cancelled because what is Z? What is Z? 200 minus X minus Y. So when I add this, when I add with this, When I add with this, 220 will be 220 plus x minus minus y plus y get cancelled. You will get 220. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this is my z star, I call it as 200 minus x minus y. When you add this, this will get cancelled. Next 226, at last 230. If I am right, this will get coincide. Now you take your Q2. What is the formula for Q2? L plus n by 2 minus f divided by into c, divided by f into c. Even நினைச்ச மாதிரி வரானு. Okay, what is L? What is n by 2? Okay, what is n by 2? N by 2 is equal to 230 by 2. 230 by 2 will be equal to 115. What is F? So this 115, where does it occur? You don't want to wait for this 115. What is your Q2? This is my Q2. Am I right? How?
Yes, sir.
Because 33.5 occurs between 30 to 40. Therefore, this is my Q2 plus. This is my Q2 plus. Then what will be L? L is 30. What is preceding value in the CF? I mean, pre-CF is 20 plus X. What is other than F? F is equal to Y. What is C? C is 10. So we want to only substitute. So 33.5 is equal to 30 plus what is n by 2? That is 115 minus preceding value in the CF is 20 minus X divided by F into C is 10.
Sir, 20 plus
Sir,
X,
20
sir.
plus.
புரியல.
Sir, preceding value வந்து 20 அந்த மைனஸ் உள்ள கொடுத்து.
We are distributing minus sign.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
அந்த மாதிரி next வந்து mode. What is the formula for mode? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times of F1 minus F0 plus F2 into C. So what is your F1? Highest in the what is the mode first? Mode is 34. Mode is 34 and the Q2 is 33.5. So when mode is 34 in what interval? It is also in the same interval. 34 lies in the interval of 30 to 40. Na? Therefore, what should be your F1? This is my F1. This is my F0. F1, F0, F2. So what is F1? Y. What is F2? 200 minus X minus Y. What is F0? Which is X. What is L? 30. What is C? 10. Can you not now substitute? 34 is equal to 30 plus F1 Y minus X into 10 divided by what is this? 2Y minus 200 minus 200 plus Y. This is 200 minus X minus Y. Am I right? Am I right?
Sir, F0.
Sir, F0 X, sir.
F0 X. அதை மறந்துட்டேனா? அப்போ ஒரு நிமிஷம். F0 வந்து X. I made a mistake. So this is minus X minus 200 plus X plus Y. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So plus x minus x get cancelled. You will get 200 plus y. If I cross multiply, I would get this. If I cross multiply, I will get this. Let me know am I right? This is 0.35y is equal to 950 minus 10x. This is my first equation. What is the second equation? If you bring this 30 here, it will become 34. Hence, I get this one. This is 12y minus 800 is equal to 10y minus 10x. So segregate x and y to one side, constant other side, find what is x and y. Also find what is more. By solving these two equations, we know what is x and y. By substituting in z, we get to know what is the value of z. I'm sorry, it is not mod, it is z. If you have any doubts, you may ask.
Sir, second equation எப்படி சார் derive பண்ணோம்?
34 minus 30 is 4. This is 10y minus 10x if you distribute. Here 2y minus, 2y plus y will be 3y. Minus 200. Plus x minus x get cancelled. Cross multiply. Then we will get this. Any doubts?
Okay, sir.
I hope you can solve this equation, or should I want to explain how it has been done? புரிஞ்சதா இல்ல நான் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணுமா எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணேன்?
True, sir.
டேய் இங்க 10x.
புரியுது சார்.
10x,
Yes, sir.
if you bring 10x to the right hand side, it will become minus 10x will become plus 10x. Plus 3.5 is equal to 950. Either you bring x to left hand side, so 10x. If 10y comes to left hand side, it will become minus 10y. So 12 minus 10 will be 2. So plus 2y is equal to 800. Now you have to combine these two equations. So 10x, we can solve for x or multiply first equation with or else it is not required. We can directly cut this. By subtracting 1 and 2, x got eliminated, you will get y. So y is 1.5y. 1.5y is 150. 1.5y is 150. What is y? Y is 100. If y is 100, what is x? Substitute y is equal to 100 here, you will get to know what is x. Having found the y and x, substitute in z. Z is 200 minus x minus y, we will get 40. Any questions?
No, sir.
So this is what in examination which will come. Either you get this kind of question, either this, or you may get this in the examination. This missing frequency and all will come in 5 mark. This missing frequency and all will come in 5 mark. Now this is the last relation. By next class I may start dispersion. Relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. The relation is geometric mean is a geometric mean of A and H. That is, geometric mean is a geometric mean of arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. We want to find two numbers. It may come in 5 mark question or 2 mark question. But if this question comes, it will come in 5 mark. We want to find the two numbers. You are given with arithmetic mean as 10, geometric mean as 8. What I want to find? Harmonic mean. This is a shortcut. Otherwise, if they ask in 5 mark, this is a method we will do. If it is a shortcut, aliter is this. What does arithmetic mean? What does geometric mean? 8 is equal to square root of 10 into h, squaring on both sides. 64 is equal to eliminate the square root, we are squaring on both sides. So h will be 64 by 10 will be 6.4. That is the answer. If you go by direct method, this is the thing. Arithmetic mean of two numbers. Let the two numbers be a comma b. So that a plus b by 2 is equal to 10. A plus b by 2 is equal to 10. A plus b is equal to 20. Likewise, root of ab is equal to 8. AB is equal to 64. I mean squaring on both sides. So we want to solve these two equations. I take b as 64 by a. If you want, you can write a as 64 by b. It is up to you. So I shall substitute this here. If I substitute this, it is a plus what is b? 64 by a is 20. So cross multiply, you get a square plus 64 by a is equal to 20. So take LCM. I mean a square plus 64 is equal to 20a. I mean multiplying a on both sides. So a square minus 20a plus 64 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. Second degree equation has got two roots. If I solve, it is 64 is a product. Sum is minus 20. So what can be the possible roots? 16 fours are 64. 16 into 4 is 64. Both should be minus. Otherwise, use minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You will get the same answer. When a is equal to 16, what is b? Therefore, a is equal to 16 comma 4. When a is 16, b will be 64 by 16. This is 64 by 4. So what can b be? Therefore, harmonic mean are two cases. When a is equal to 16, b is equal to 4. When a is equal to 4, b is equal to 16. Harmonic mean is 2 by. Have you understood?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubts, you may ask. If it comes in 5 marks, you go like this. If it is a 2 mark question, do like this. This is a homework for you. This is a homework for you. Same. Find what is harmonic mean. Now, this is another important relation. Is very important for your 2 mark. Relation between mean, median, mode. Relation between mean, median, and then mode. Mean minus mode is equal to thrice mean minus median. You are given with the mean as 55.6. If mean is 55.6, mode is 46, then what is median or second quartile? They ask in exam for 2 mark. I did like this. A question can be manipulated. So what is mean? 55.6 minus mode is 46 is equal to 3 times of mean minus median. So simplify and tell me what is median. Have you understood?
52.4, sir.
Yeah, the Q2,
52.4.
which is 52.4.
Q2.
Okay. So here I said mean, mode, median. In examination, mode will be given, median will be given. They may ask what is mean. So you have to plan, but the formula is this. This is the formula. So this all will come in 2 marks. The next one is combined arithmetic mean. Suppose you are given with the 3 groups. You are given with 3 groups 1, 2, 3. First group size or a strength is N1. Second group is N2. Third group is N3. Whose respective average mean is X1 bar, X2 bar, X3 bar. What is a combined arithmetic mean? I mean X1 2 bar, X1 2 3 bar is equal to your same formula which we have learnt, N1 X1 bar, sigma fx by sigma f, N1 N2 X2 bar, N3 X3 bar divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. So you are given with the total frequency of 3 series. If total frequencies of 3 series are 50, 60 and 90 and their respective mean are this. Mean means x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar. Find their composite mean. Composite means what does it? Composite means a combined. Find the composite mean or a combined mean, both are same. Composite mean. So you are given with this. Respectively. So this is my composite mean. So you are given with what is N1, N2, N3. So N1, N2, N3, X1 bar, X2 bar, X3 bar is given. We want to find what is, so what is N1, N2, N3. N1, N2, N3 is total frequency are 50, 60 and then 90. What is X1 bar, X2 bar, X3 bar? This is equal to their respective mean is 12, 15 and then 20. Can you not find what is X1, 2, 3 bar?
Yes, sir.
Just by substituting 50 into 12, yes, plus 60 into 15 plus 90 into 20 divided by total frequency. And that is answer. So this is your combined arithmetic mean. So with this I complete your central tendency. By next class I start this one. If you have any doubts you may ask.
Sir, do we have to take attendance for this class?
No. For my class I don't want any attendance.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise you can leave if you don't have any doubts.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Upload the note. Yeah, now I upload video by evening.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
சார்
ம்
சார் புக்கு வந்து ஏதாவது வாங்கணுமா இல்ல நம்ம
புக்கே வேண்டான்னு நான் சொன்னேன். அப்படி உனக்கு புக்கு வேணும்னா சிலபஸ்ல இருக்கிறதையே பார்த்துக்கோ. உனக்கு வேணும்னா வாங்கிக்கோ. என்ன கேட்டா நீ புக்கு வேண்டாம். நீயே பாரு, கொஸ்டின் எழுதி ஆன்சர் போட்டு இருக்க. உனக்கு என்ன புக்கு வேணும் இதுக்கு மேல?
ஓகே சார், ஓகே.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
ம் ம்
Can we use calculator for calculating, sir?
வேற என்ன பண்றது, யூஸ் பண்ணி தானே ஆகணும். சயின்டிபிக் கால்குலேட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணாது.
ஓகே சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.